If you don't want problem with YouTube and actually want to make money, watch this video until the end. I will also give you one really powerful tools. These tools can naturally be Gologin. It provides 2 gig of proxy traffic, which is more than enough to get started. Have you ever noticed that running one YouTube channel is already a full-time job? But managing 3, 5, or even 10 channels, yours or your clients, get messy really fast. Even a single channel demands attention. Planning content strategy, scripting, recording, editing, YouTube SEO optimization, responding to audience comments, and checking YouTube analytics. It becomes a repetitive cycle like login, verifying YouTube account, mix up password, sharing access over a chat app, and then out of nowhere, a section die. A video get posted to the wrong channel or YouTube locks you out. Eventually, you stop feeling in control, and sometimes you just give up on YouTube altogether. Here's the main point of this video. Making money on YouTube is real, but it starts with a solid setup and the right infrastructure. Why people run multiple channels and actually earn? So why do creators run multiple channels? It's not random, it's strategic. Multiple channels mean multiple opportunities for YouTube growth, channel monetization, testing ideas, and generating income online. First, niches matter. YouTube algorithm works better when a channel sticks with one topic, one audience, and one format. Mixing different contents, types, or unrelated topics in channel growth slow. Separate channels give each niche audience room to grow without interference. Think of it like growing multiple plants. You will not cram them all into one tiny pot. Second, testing ideas. Maybe your main channel is long-form content, but you want to experiment with YouTube Short, try a different language, or launch a new niche. Separate channels let you experiment safely without risking your main audience. Third, client work. Many creators manage client YouTube accounts, handle video editing, publishing, or full channel management. This can be a huge source of income, but without a proper system, it's tricky. One mistake and disaster strikes. Finally, building a media network. Some creators run multiple channels as a network. This opens doors to sponsorships, online courses, digital services, and even traffic arbitrage. More channels mean more opportunities, but also more complexity. Without the right system, scaling multiple YouTube channels fails quickly. The biggest problem that kills multiple channel setups. Managing multiple channels the old-fashioned ways is a recipe for stress. The problems are almost always the same. Access chaos. Every day feels like a battle. Which password do I use? Who has access? How am I logging correctly? Stressful, time-consuming, and against YouTube security rules. Everything in one browser, switching between personal client and experimental account, mixes cookies, sections, and extension. One click means video uploaded to the wrong channel or settings change. Traveling or working remotely makes it worse. Different networks, VPN, or team members log in from different locations, trigger security checks, captures, and section reset. Hours are wasted instead of creating high-quality YouTube content. Scaling fails. Managing 3 channels manageable, 5, 7, or 10. Impossible without the right setup. You will be trapped in endless login loops. Why Gologin is #1 for multiple YouTube accounts? This is where Gologin comes in. Think of it like having a separate desktop, but all inside in a single browser. Each profile is its own workspace, complete with its own cookies, section, local storage, extension, and digital fingerprints. And the best part is that they don't interfere with each other. Everything stays secure, isolated, and organized. What does that look like in real life? Every channel or every client its own profile. This is not just a browser tab. This is not just incognito mode. This is a fully isolated environment where you have complete control. Sections stay alive. You log into YouTube Studio once inside the right profile, close the browser, and come back tomorrow. Your section picks up exactly where you left off. Teams become painless. Instead of sharing password, you share a profile as a work environment. Your team can work together safely without exposing sensitive login info. Geo checks and local views are simple. Attach a proxy to any profile and browse YouTube as if you are in any country in the world. This makes testing local trends, checking search results, or managing region-specific content effortless. Everything stays organized across devices, profile sync cookies, extension, and sections, so your workflow is predictable and scalable. Whether you are switching between your desktop, laptop, or tablet, your work environment stays consistent. And here's the extra benefit. You can experiment freely, launch new channels, test new niches, or create content for clients without risking your main account. Each environment is fully isolated, giving you peace of mind and total operational control. With Gologin, managing multiple channels is no longer stressful or confusing. It's simple, secure, and fully under your control. Real-life example. Imagine you are managing multiple YouTube channels, your main channels, or short channels, client channel number 1, client channel number 2, and a sandbox channel for experiments. Without Gologin, this is chaos. Endless login, mistakes, videos uploading to the wrong channels, sudden mess it up. With Gologin, it's night and days. Each channel has its own clearly labeled profile. My main channel is my main channel. My shorts is only shorts content. Client A is only client A. Client B is only client B. Sandbox is testing experiment. You don't need to remember where you are logged in. You just open the right profile and start working. Chaos disappears, stress disappears. Managing multiple channels become smooth, predictable, and easy. Why this matters? Scaling multiple channels is not about hacks or shortcuts. It's about having a system that works. Channels stay separate, sections stay stable, workflow stay predictable. Whether you are focused on YouTube growth, e-commerce, multiple account management, or traffic arbitrage, your setup determines your selling. Using a proper system with anti-detector browsing, IP masking, proxy rotation, and digital fingerprint, managing allows you to scale safely, avoid costly mistakes, and run multiple channels efficiently without the chaos. If you want to grow multiple YouTube channels and earn real income, you don't need a secret trick. You need a system that keeps your channel separate, stable, and secure. That system is Gologin. Link will be in the description. Stop fighting login, stop risking ban, start managing like a professional. Once your setup is solid, running multiple accounts goes from chaos to control. Every successful multiple channel creator is not relying on luck, they rely on systems that scale, and Gologin is the backbone. Before we wrap it up, let's be very clear about who this setup is actually for. If you are a YouTube creator running more than one channel, a freelancer managing client channel, an agency handling multiple brands, or someone experimenting with niches, languages, or shorts, you absolutely need separated environments. Why? Because YouTube does not just see your login, it sees your browser, fingerprints, cookies, IP address, and device behavior. When everything is mixed in one browser, you are basically telling YouTube, all of those channels are the same person on the same machine. And that's where restriction, verification loops, and student logouts begin. Separating environments is not about tricking YouTube, It's about professional workflow management and security. And this is exactly why Gologin stands out. It is simple to set up, safe for long-term use, and scalable as your number of channels grows. If you plan to treat YouTube as a business, not a hobby, then this type of infrastructure is not optional. It's essential. Now, let's actually see how this works in real life. Here inside Gologin, you can see multiple profiles. Each one represents a completely separate workspace. Let's open profile number 1. Notice how a new browser window opens. This is not Chrome, not Fireworks. This is a fully isolated environment. Now we log onto YouTube Studio. Everything loads normally. Analytics, videos, comments are all here. Now we close the browser. Tomorrow, when we reopen the same profile, we are still logged in. Section remains stable. No re-verification, no confusion. Now let's open another profile, okay? This one is for a different channel. Notice different YouTube dashboard, different branding, different content, no overlap. No cookie mixing, no accidental upload. Now here is where it gets powerful. Inside Gologin, each profile can have a different geolocation. For example, Profile A, United States, Profile B, United Kingdom, Profile C, Canada. Now, when we open YouTube in each profile, search results change, trending video change, ads change, recommendation change. This proves each profile has its own identity. Each geo behaves independently. Sections stay separated and stable. This visual difference is crucial. It shows you not just switching account, you are switching entire environments. So why does this matter in real world terms? Let's break it down. For creators, you can test niches, shorts, or languages without risking your main channel. For agency, each client remains isolated and secure, no password sharing, no liability risk. For freelancers and editors, you avoid constant login, requests and verification codes. You save hours every week. For multiple channel networks, you reduce bin risk, fingerprints conflict, and workflow chaos. Instead of logging in and out all day, you reset in passwords and dealing with verification loops. You simply open the correct profile, start working, done. It transforms YouTube management from stressful into structured and predictable. So if you are serious about going on YouTube, serious about managing multiple channels, and be serious about protecting your work, you need more than motivation. You need infrastructure. Gologin gives you separated environments, stable sections, geo flexibility, and professional level control. The link is in the description. Set it up once and you will never go back to the old login chaos again. Because successful creators don't rely on luck. They rely on systems that scale. If you use my link in the description and my promo code, you will get 2 gigs of free proxy traffic, up to 40% off, and a 7-day trial, which is perfect to get started safely. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe as well, like this video. And on this channel, we share tips, strategy to boost your income. And if you are here for the first time, and do me a big favor, and I will never ask you for anything in return, then just like it, share this video, and subscribe so that way you can stay updated whenever we post a new video. All right, so I will see you in the next one. If you find this video very helpful and informative, don't forget to share it, like it, and comment down. And on this channel, we always share tips and different strategy to boost your income. And if you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe so that way you can stay notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being supportive and always here, and I will see you in the next content. Remember, you are the best and keep shining. All right, and I will see you. Peace. Bye.